Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. So, as promised, I said that I was going to do another carnation with the one stroke painting, and I was going to do it in a different angle. So, here it is, and I really hope that you can see what I'm doing so that you can understand a little bit better on how these are created. So I'm just sketching it on. I found in my stash some really small canvas board, and it was already pre-done in black. So I just sketched on my design, and we're going to do a pink carnation as requested. So as you can see, I numbered them as well so that I knew which one I was doing. And what you do is you dip your brush into the main color and then just a tip of white, and the white has to be facing up. And then you press down and then give it a little wiggle. It fans it out. Lift up the heel of your paintbrush, push up, and then drag back down as you're lifting up to bring it to a point. So here we do it again. Push down, wiggle it out, lift up, press up, and bring it back to the center of your design. So I'm going to do this a few times. And as a treat, I'm going to do two of these. So this is a number 6 brush. It's a round brush. Since I started doing this, I'm learning a lot more than what I thought I would for the different types of brushes and the different sizes and what you use them for. So I get to pass all that knowledge on to you guys as well. So you push down, fan it out, lift up the heel, push up, and bring it back to the center of your design. So I'm using the pink that I'm using for this is called Bubblegum Pink and Titanium White. Both are from, oh, sorry, the Bubblegum Pink is DecoArt and Titanium White is the FolkArt. So I do this with this paint. I think I'm onto my last 2 petals. And again, you just push down, fan out, push up, or sorry, lift up, push forward or push up, and then drag down into the center of your design. So you'll get to see this again. I'm going to be doing another one. I'm sorry, it's a little bit off camera. Oh, there I'm back to where I need to be. I'm going to do another one with a smaller brush size so that you can see the differences. The green that I'm using is called Kelly Green by Delta. And again, I'm doing the same technique where I'm loading it up with the color and just dipping the tip into white. And then I am keeping the white up, like facing me, and then I just drag it through. Now I'm just adding 3 points, one to the left, one to the right, and then one in the center. And then I'm just using my brush with the same colors. I'm not cleaning it out or anything because I want those different colors of the white and the green to be seen in both of these or in all of my strokes that I do. I do go in as well and sort of clean it up a little bit, but just adding that little nub there and then a part of the stem. And I actually made this into a little magnet. So you can hang it on your fridge, or if you've got a magnetic board or some metal somewhere that you just want to hang this up on, that's what I've done. And I believe the size is a 3" by 3". So, okay, so now we're on to the second one. So this is a smaller brush. I believe this is a number 4 that I'm using. And I found that this did a much better job for the size of canvas that I'm using. So same technique. I dip it into the pink paint, and then I dip it just the tip into the white. The white is facing me or facing up. I push down on the brush. I wiggle it out. I lift up on the heel, push up, and then drag it back down to the center of the design. So I repeat this over and over and over to get those really nice petals of the carnation. And I said in my previous video that the carnation leaves have like a scalloped edge, or like almost like it's frayed. So this technique really gives that look. So you can see that a lot of them are frayed on the edges, and that's because of the brush that I'm using. So I hope that this is a better angle for you and you can see it. My hand's not in the way. And like I said before, it's as requested as a pink carnation. So I want to say thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up. If you're new, thank you for joining. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything that I'm doing in the future. And make sure you ring that little notification bell because it will send you a notification every time I post. I do try to post every Friday. And I've got some really, really cool designs coming out in the next little while for Valentine's Day. So I've been doing a lot of hearts and a lot of different designs with the hearts. So I will be posting those. I think I'm going to do like a series, but I don't know how many. So it'll be like one a day for X number of days. I just haven't decided yet how many days I'm going to do. But I can tell you it's going to be a few of them. So I will be starting that the beginning of February. And I really hope that you join in to see how I do those designs. And I hope you really try them out. If you do try them out, I would really like to see what your final product is. You could always go to my Facebook page and you can post your designs there for everyone to see if you're comfortable with that. If not, that's fine. Just leave me a message below to say that you're going to try this out. Maybe let me know what color you're going to use or what color you did use. I'm very excited to know. So you could leave me a message below if you wish, or go to my Facebook page. My Etsy shop also has new things in it, so make sure you get over there frequently and check that out. So I give this painting a couple of coats of varnish and it's finished. So there you have it, folks. Life is what you make it, so get creative.